Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and I'm up to the stage of the primer sealer. So everything I do gets primed, walls, floors, the lot. You'll see it in other videos. I slap on a primer before I do anything. This takes away all your dust. There's always dust on everything. So you just primer seal it. You don't have to be fussy. You just slap it on. You always do it before you waterproof, and you always do it before you glue tiles to the wall. Nothing sticks to dust. Years ago, they never used this stuff. It was always, you just sort of give your wall a bit of a wipe down. This is, I'm talking 25 years ago. You wipe the wall, you just used to get wiped down a bit with a sponge and water, but now this is like far superior. Way superior. Okay everyone, I'll see you soon. Bye.